from this to this. Stay with us and we'll explain how to do that for only a few dollars and a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW generation F30 F31. This is the 3 Series BMW from year 2013 to year 2020. If you want to see how to replace guys key fob assembly, the key fob case, stay with us. We'll explain how to do it step by step. Our looks terrible will turn into a brand new looking key fob case for just a few dollars. We'll explain step by step how to do it, where to get it from. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you guys how to fix practically almost anything. Transmissions, engines, bodywork, we do almost all that guys. We make videos while we're doing why? So we can save you money guys. Our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And if you need to buy any parts too, it's a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money. We're going to put guys the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, check it out. So let's go ahead and continue now. So how we're going to replace that key fob case, let's explain now here what we have guys. Look at that key fob case, it's completely beat up. Okay, there is no BMW logo on it anymore, it's really wore out, it looks terrible. We just got this one for only a few dollars, even though when you order it, it's supposed to not have the logo for, I guess, copyright things, but it actually does come with logo and everything else. So how we're going to replace it? Okay, pretty simple. Here on the back side you have that button right here, you press and you pull your key out, just like that. Now right here on the inside, okay, right there, let me show you with the screwdriver. Right here we're going to come here, pry, okay, going to pry there, and it's going to open the key fob case. Okay, now the thing about it is you can open the battery through that hole here. Let me show you. Okay, and it opens like that. That's for the battery only, but for here you need to open guys the whole case, and that case will be actually kind of like glued together. Okay, I'm not kidding, it will be practically guys, okay, glued together. So we need to get in here, okay, between the two pieces. I'll get a little bit bigger screwdriver and I will show you. So we're going to go ahead guys, okay, apply, careful not to break your circuit board on the inside, okay, but eventually, hopefully, okay, it's glued together, that key. Okay, so once it starts going, it goes easy. Just careful with your circuit board on the inside, right? So let me see. Okay, no, not yet, almost. If I can pull it out. Okay, and it came out. You can see that's your circuit board right here. Now let me gently pull it out. Okay, just like that. We'll continue with the next step. So here now guys, okay, we get the new assembly, right? It goes right here. Check this thing out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and install the battery too. So at the same time, okay, we have the battery there too. That way, okay, we can actually even open that case and put the battery in later. Okay, that way we can worry less about that stuff. Now we're going to go ahead and install the key. Okay, let me inspect everything. Everything seems perfect, right? Yep. Now we're going to get the new case. It looks like we have a little bit, okay, right here, spring-loaded action from these two plates where the battery attaches. So that's perfectly fine. Okay, we're going to go ahead. We might need to just add one drop of super glue here. Okay, if it doesn't want to go in, let me see. Let me see if we got it in, because it needs to go only one certain way. So we just align everything. Okay, let me see if everything is in. Nope. Okay, it moved again. Ah, silly thing. It's a little bit, guys, tight. Okay, so I'm doing my best. Oh, it locked in place. Perfect. Now we need to install our battery. It goes in an angle. Push it in. We're going to get the new cover. We're going to push that one in, and you can have your key cut. Okay, it's not expensive. There is an online guys procedure for that, or you can just get your old key, stick it in there, and you have a brand new case, guys, just like that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.